Let's go ahead and create a scraper that utilizes a login. Start, data toolbar. So let's go ahead and lock this down with data toolbar. Hit the pin. And we're going to go ahead and go to datatoolbar.com/login.aspx. I'm going to go ahead and start data toolbar. Now, as you can see, our previous project came up. If you go to project properties, you'll go ahead and see the project file right here, which it saves it to in this directory under the datatoolbar.com website and the project. So we're going to get a conflict if we try to create a scraper here. So what we do is we go ahead and X everything out. We go to groups, we X everything out, and that initializes the project so we can start over. I'm going to go ahead and click on each of these boxes. Notice an open appeared. It recognized that it was a button. We want to turn off repeatable because it's not capturing records. And I'm just going to fill in a couple of inputs into this, and then I'm going to hit these little pluses to create an action. But the actions aren't going to be right. These aren't opens. These are what we call inits because we want to initialize the value of the text box. So if we click on the little gears, we change this to init, and then we change this to a partial update because we're only partially updating the page. We're not going to a new page. We do the same thing for the second one. We make that an init and a partial update. Now if I hit init, and I go ahead and hit login, I get my initial sample page. Now I'm just going to quickly create a scraper. I'm not really going to worry about field names. I'm just doing it like I did it from the prior sample. I'm going to hit set next element. I'm going to pick the little button. And this scraper is written with a login. Let's go ahead and run it. Hit get data. And that's a scraper written with paging. Now notice, see it used the previous output, which is sample1.csv. It kept everything the same as the one that I had where we utilized that sample. And that scraper is written.